Introduction. Oh, Canada! You're calling me Canada? Just the name conjures up images of snow-capped mountains, sparkling lakes, and friendly people, eh? But there's so much more to this vast country than meets the eye. It's a place where vibrant cities meet untamed wilderness, where history whispers in cobblestone streets, and where adventure awaits around every corner. Ready for a journey that blends nature's grandeur with urban excitement? Come on, let's explore Canada's must-visit spots. From the iconic to the quirky, we'll uncover the hidden gems and popular attractions that make this country so special. Think of me as your travel buddy, sharing tips and tales from the road. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready for an unforgettable Canadian experience. Section 1. Ride the rails to romance Rocky Mountaineer. All aboard. If you're looking for a truly unforgettable Canadian experience, hop on the Rocky Mountaineer. This isn't just any train ride, it's a luxurious journey through the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Imagine yourself gazing out panoramic windows as majestic mountains, turquoise lakes, and lush forests unfold before your eyes. The Rocky Mountaineer offers various routes, each with its own charm. Whether you choose the classic first passage to the west or the awe-inspiring journey through the clouds, you're in for a visual feast. Keep your camera ready to capture stunning vistas, cascading waterfalls, and maybe even a glimpse of wildlife. But the Rocky Mountaineer is more than just scenery. It's about the experience. The onboard service is top-notch, with gourmet meals, attentive staff, and fascinating commentary about the passing landscapes. It's a chance to relax, unwind, and soak in the beauty of the Canadian Rockies in style. Section 2. Niagara Falls. Not just a pretty waterfall. Niagara Falls. The name itself evokes a sense of awe and wonder, and rightly so. This natural wonder is a sight to behold, with millions of gallons of water cascading over the precipice every second. But Niagara Falls is more than just a pretty waterfall. It's an experience. Take a boat tour to the base of the falls and feel the mist on your face as you marvel at the sheer power of nature. Or walk along the Niagara Parkway and enjoy breathtaking views from different vantage points. For a truly unique perspective, soar above the falls in a helicopter and witness the spectacle from above. But Niagara Falls isn't just about the falls themselves. The surrounding area is packed with attractions, from charming wineries and historical sites to thrilling amusement parks and world-class dining. Spend a few days exploring the region and discover the many facets of Niagara Falls. Section 3. Quirky Quebec City. A taste of Europe in North America. Bonjour, step into Quebec City, and you might think you've been magically transported to Europe. This charming city, with its cobblestone streets, historic architecture, and French flair, offers a unique blend of European charm and North American spirit. Wander through the Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and soak in the ambiance. Admire the iconic Chateau Frontenac, a grand hotel that dominates the skyline. Explore the Petit Champlain district with its quaint boutiques and cozy cafes. And don't miss the Citadel of Quebec, a star-shaped fortress that offers panoramic city views. But Quebec City is more than just a pretty face. It's a city with a rich history and vibrant culture. Visit the Museum of Civilization to delve into the region's past, sample delicious French-Canadian cuisine at local restaurants, and in the winter, experience the magic of Quebec Winter Carnival, a celebration of snow and ice sculptures, parades, and winter fun. Section 4. Vancouver Island, where the wild things are. Calling all nature lovers and adventure seekers. Vancouver Island is your playground. This stunning island off the coast of British Columbia offers a diverse landscape of rugged coastline, ancient rainforests, and snow-capped mountains. Explore Pacific Rim National Park Reserve, where you can hike through old-growth forests, stroll along sandy beaches, and spot whales breaching offshore. Head to Tofino, a surfer's paradise known for its laid-back vibe and stunning sunsets. And for a truly unforgettable experience, go whale watching and witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. But Vancouver Island isn't just about wilderness. Victoria, the island's capital city, is a charming blend of history and modernity. Visit the Royal BC Museum to learn about the region's past. Stroll through Butchart Gardens, a floral wonderland with vibrant blooms. And enjoy afternoon tea at the iconic Empress Hotel, a grand dame of Victorian architecture. Section 5. Foodie fun in Montreal. From smoked meat to sugar shacks. Get ready for a culinary adventure in Montreal. This cosmopolitan city is a melting pot of cultures, and its food scene is just as diverse and delicious. From classic French-Canadian dishes to international flavors, Montreal has something to tantalize every palate. No trip to Montreal is complete without sampling the city's famous smoked meat. Head to Schwartz's Deli, a Montreal institution, and savor the juicy, flavorful meat piled high on rye bread. Indulge your sweet tooth with a visit to a traditional sugar shack, where you can enjoy maple syrup in all its glory, from taffy on snow to maple-glazed ham. But Montreal's culinary scene goes far beyond these classics. Explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique flavors. Sample Italian pasta in Little Italy, savor Vietnamese pho in Chinatown, or indulge in fine French cuisine in the Plateau Mont-Royal district. Montreal is a city that will leave your taste buds singing. Section 6. Hidden Gems, Beyond the Tourist Trail. While Canada's iconic attractions draw crowds, there's a world of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. These lesser-known spots offer a chance to experience the country's authentic charm and escape the tourist throngs. Head to Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada's easternmost province, where you can explore rugged coastlines, visit charming fishing villages, and hike through Gros Morne National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Discover the Magdalen Islands, a remote archipelago in the Gulf of St. Lawrence known for its red sandstone cliffs, sandy beaches, and unique culture. Venture into the Canadian Arctic and experience the magic of the Northern Lights. Visit Churchill, Manitoba, and witness polar bears in their natural habitat. Or explore the Yukon Territory, a land of gold rush history, stunning landscapes, and outdoor adventures. Conclusion: Canada awaits. So there you have it, a glimpse into the wonders that await you in Canada. From the majestic Rocky Mountains to the quirky charm of Quebec City, from the wild beauty of Vancouver Island to the culinary delights of Montreal, Canada offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you longing for more. So why wait? Start planning your Canadian adventure today. Whether you're seeking outdoor thrills, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to escape the ordinary, Canada has something special in store for you. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tales from the road. Happy travels!